Translating demand forecasts into logistics capacity requirements is a critical responsibility of logistics professionals. Demand management and capacity planning must operate together to ensure that transportation, warehousing, labor, equipment, and inventory resources are available when needed. Forecasts provide the foundation for determining future logistics requirements across strategic, tactical, and operational planning horizons. Long-term forecasts support decisions involving facilities and infrastructure, medium-term forecasts guide workforce and equipment planning, and short-term forecasts assist with daily execution activities. Effective translation of demand into capacity ensures that organizations maintain service levels while controlling costs. It also helps prevent disruptions caused by capacity shortages, excess resources, or inaccurate planning assumptions. Capacity planning must consider different planning horizons because logistics decisions vary significantly by time frame. Long-term or strategic planning typically uses forecasts covering 3 to 5 years and focuses on major investments such as warehouse construction, facility expansion, transportation networks, and capital equipment acquisition. Medium-term planning uses annual or aggregate forecasts to determine staffing requirements, equipment purchases, carrier agreements, and inventory positioning. Short-term planning relies on weekly or daily forecasts to schedule transportation movements, warehouse labor shifts, routing activities, and operational workflows. By linking forecast information to each planning horizon, organizations can ensure that resources are aligned with anticipated demand while maintaining flexibility to respond to changing market conditions. Logistics demand shaping is an important technique for balancing capacity utilization and customer service requirements. Rather than simply reacting to demand, organizations can influence the timing and distribution of logistics activities through planning and scheduling practices. Demand shaping may involve encouraging customers to order during off-peak periods, consolidating shipments, adjusting delivery schedules, or offering incentives that spread demand more evenly across available capacity. These approaches reduce bottlenecks, improve asset utilization, and minimize the costs associated with excessive overtime, emergency transportation, or underused facilities. Effective demand shaping creates value for customers by maintaining service reliability while helping organizations avoid shortages, congestion, and unnecessary logistics expenses. Capacity requirements strongly influence transportation planning decisions, including mode selection, carrier selection, load size, and route design. Forecasted demand determines shipment frequency, volume, weight, and service requirements, all of which affect transportation strategies. High-volume demand may justify rail or full truckload shipments, while lower volumes may require less than truckload or parcel services. Capacity constraints can also influence carrier selection and routing decisions to maximize efficiency and maintain service levels. Logistics professionals must evaluate transportation alternatives based on cost, speed, reliability, flexibility, and available capacity. By aligning transportation decisions with forecasted demand, organizations can improve throughput, reduce transportation expenses, and ensure consistent customer service performance. Transportation capacity planning requires a comprehensive understanding of inbound, outbound, and combined logistics flows. Inbound transportation focuses on moving raw materials, components, and supplies into facilities, while outbound transportation supports distribution of finished goods to customers and distribution centers. Capacity planners must estimate the number of containers, truckloads, rail cars, or other transportation units required based on forecasted demand. These calculations typically consider unit loads, pallet configurations, weight limitations, volume constraints, and service requirements. Transportation throughput measures the volume of goods that can move through the logistics network over a specified period. Accurate forecasting enables organizations to secure carrier capacity, optimize asset utilization, and maintain efficient product flows throughout the supply chain. Demand forecasts also drive warehouse capacity decisions. Warehouse mode selection depends on factors such as product characteristics, storage requirements, throughput volumes, service expectations, and inventory strategies. Organizations may choose among dedicated warehouses, public warehouses, automated facilities, cross-docking operations, or distribution centers based on anticipated demand patterns. Forecasts help determine the amount of storage space needed, required inventory levels, and the types of equipment necessary to support efficient operations. Capacity planning ensures that warehouse facilities can accommodate expected inventory volumes while maintaining productivity and service standards. Proper warehouse sizing reduces congestion, improves inventory accessibility, and minimizes unnecessary investment in excess capacity. Demand information is equally important for determining warehouse labor, equipment, and operational resource requirements. Forecasted order volumes influence staffing levels, shift schedules, material handling equipment needs, and facility workflows. Organizations use forecast data to estimate receiving, storage, picking, packing, and shipping workloads. Seasonal demand fluctuations may require temporary labor, additional shifts, or flexible equipment arrangements. Conversely, lower demand periods may allow organizations to reduce staffing or reallocate resources. Effective capacity planning balances labor productivity, equipment utilization, and customer service objectives. By translating demand forecasts into detailed operational requirements, logistics professionals can optimize resource allocation, control costs, improve responsiveness, and ensure that logistics networks consistently support business and customer requirements.